Welcome to 555 Cooking Ideas, where flavor meets passion. Today, we're going to create one of the most beloved Italian dishes of all time, the creamy, delicious, and authentic pasta carbonara. This dish is the true taste of Rome, made with simple ingredients, cooked with heart, and served with love. Let's dive right in and uncover the secrets behind the perfect pasta carbonara. No cream, no fuss, just pure Italian magic. Pasta carbonara is more than just a meal, it's an emotion. It's a comforting, soul-satisfying dish that captures the warmth of Italy in every bite. And the best part? You only need a few ingredients: eggs, cheese, guanciale or pancetta, black pepper, and pasta. Simple, yet extraordinary. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. You will need 200 grams of spaghetti or your favorite pasta, 100 grams of guanciale or pancetta, 2 large eggs and 1 extra egg yolk, 50 grams of freshly grated pecorino romano cheese, a pinch of salt, freshly cracked black pepper. That's it. Just a few ingredients that will transform into a creamy, comforting masterpiece. Now, let's start cooking. First, cut your guanciale into small cubes or thin strips. Place it in a cold pan, not hot, because starting cold allows the fat to render slowly. Cook it over medium heat until it turns golden and crispy. The aroma will fill your kitchen, smoky, savory, and rich. Remember, this step is the foundation of the entire dish. Take your time and let the magic happen slowly. While the guanciale is cooking, let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, 1 extra yolk, the grated pecorino romano cheese, and a good amount of freshly cracked black pepper. Mix until it becomes smooth and creamy. This mixture is the heart of your carbonara, rich, velvety, and packed with flavor. Next, cook your pasta. Bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add the pasta and cook it until it's al dente, firm but tender. Before draining, save 1 cup of that hot pasta water. It's liquid gold that will help bring everything together later. Drain the pasta and get ready for the best part, combining everything. Now, add the cooked pasta directly into the pan with the crispy guanciale. Turn off the heat, this is very important so you don't scramble the eggs later. Slowly pour the egg and cheese mixture into the pasta while tossing quickly. Add a little splash of the reserved pasta water, and keep stirring until the sauce becomes smooth and glossy. This is the moment where your pasta transforms, every strand coated in a silky, creamy sauce without using any cream. That's the beauty of authentic Italian cooking. Now, let's serve. Twirl the pasta into a bowl, top with a sprinkle of pecorino romano, and finish with a dash of black pepper. Look at that, creamy, glossy, and irresistibly good. The smell, the texture, the flavor, it's all pure Italian perfection. Pasta carbonara isn't just food. It's a story of love, simplicity, and family. In Italy, meals like this are shared with laughter, conversation, and connection. Each bite reminds you that the best things in life are often the simplest. So, when you cook this dish, don't just think about ingredients, think about the joy it brings to those who share it with you. Here are a few chef tips to make your carbonara even better. 1. Use high-quality cheese, pecorino romano or parmigiano reggiano. 2. Don't rush the guanciale, slow cooking gives you perfect crispiness. 3. Never add cream, the true creaminess comes from eggs and cheese. 4. Save that pasta water, it helps create a silky texture. 5. Always toss off heat, this prevents the eggs from turning into scrambled eggs. Dash, if you want to add your own creative twist, go for it. You can mix different kinds of cheese, or even add a touch of garlic for aroma. Just remember, the essence of carbonara lies in keeping it simple and balanced. Dash, now, let's taste it. The flavor is rich and comforting, with a salty crunch from the guanciale, and a creamy coating that melts in your mouth. Each bite is a little piece of Rome, a perfect balance of texture, flavor, and tradition. Dash, congratulations! You've just made an authentic Italian pasta carbonara, the right way. You've created a dish that connects generations, cultures, and hearts through flavor and passion. Dash. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 555 Cooking Ideas for more delicious recipes and cooking inspiration. Let's keep exploring amazing dishes from around the world, one recipe at a time. Because here at 555 Cooking Ideas, food isn't just about eating, it's about creating memories that last a lifetime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon for another heartwarming recipe. Until then, keep cooking with love, passion, and joy. Spaghetti emoji, red heart emoji.